Alright guys, so today I wanted to do an unboxing and review on my smart bird feeder. Been looking forward to getting one of these, especially if you're big into nature. This can, as soon as it detects birds, it'll start recording. It keeps all their food in here, and it's also solar powered, so you don't have to worry about if you don't have a connection nearby. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing and kind of show every little piece that's in here. We'll get it hooked up and see what birds we can see. Instructions. Your solar panel, and the Type-C cables. And this is the actual bird feeder itself. Very cool. It looks like it'll just feed all the food right up through here. So let's go ahead and set it all up. All right, so it looks like this piece we will insert right here. I'll probably get a screw for there. And then this is a solar panel. And right back here is the Type-C connection. Let's go ahead and hook up. All right, so this is what it'll look like once it's all fully set up. It's got the antenna for the Wi-Fi, got the solar set up, got the front. I'm gonna take this top part off real quick. I didn't tighten it all the way just so I could show you this. So once it is ready, this part will move up. And there you have a power button, an SD card tray. If you want to do it, it's not necessary. And then if you want to charge it, if you're not gonna do the solar, this is how you would do so right here. Just wanted to point that feature out. So let's go see what it looks like, see if we can see any birds. Okay, but before we could do that, I did have to download the VicoHome app and just went through the super quick prompts. Let's see what we got.